Are you always searching for new breakfast recipes, ones that you can make ahead of time? This recipe is perfect. Let's make some turkey and spinach egg muffins.
Here's a snapshot of all the ingredients you'll need. In a bowl, let's crack your eggs. Eggs are loaded with vitamin D and protein. I ended up doing 8 for this recipe. Give them all a really good whisk. Now let's add in our spinach that's chopped, our cooked ground turkey, our parsley, how about some bell pepper for vitamin C, shallots for our cardiovascular health, nutritional yeast for protein and antioxidants, sea salt, hemp seeds for protein and antioxidants. Give it all a really good mix. I love to tell you simple nutrition information about the ingredients I use in my recipes. I feel like you'll be more inclined to try the recipes when you know the health benefits. None of my recipes are complicated. I want them to taste delicious, I want them to have health benefits, and I want you to be able to make them yourself. Now pour the contents in a muffin pan. You may have to kind of evenly do it between the liquids and the solids. It's okay, get your fingers dirty. Make sure you wipe the sides just for easy cleanup. And I want to share a little trick with you. If you don't use all 12 of your holes for the muffin pan, pour a little bit of water in the empty ones. This will help your food cook evenly and help the heat disperse evenly. Grab your storage container, line it with a paper towel because these egg muffins do contain some moisture. So the paper towel will help absorb that. These store in the fridge up to 5 days. Heat them in the microwave, take them on the go, and enjoy. Be sure to subscribe for more.